I have a vest on. I can take off my shirt and put on my sweater. How do I get it off without it touching my face?
Take it off first. Take it off first.
I actually You're coming at me!
Sorry,